DPF and DEF emulator installation in Caterpillar 432 with a C3.6 engine. Disconnect the differential pressure sensor and plug the emulator connector in its place. Unplug the temperature sensor and leave it unplugged. Disconnect the injector plug and plug it into the emulator. Disconnect the plug from the NOx sensor and connect the emulator's connector in its place. Disconnect the plug from the other NOx sensor and secure it with the dummy plug. Locate the CAN plug and plug it into the emulator. Plug the emulator into the DEF pump plug. Connect the DEF pump harness with the other harness. Plug in the emulator and check the lights under the cover to see if all the components are emulated properly.